Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add multiple lines in your Instagram bio. Just open your Instagram here. So let's open my Instagram account. Right, go to your profile icon which is on the bottom right side corner. Go and click on edit profile, and this is my bio. So if I want to create multiple lines here, it's easy. I will go here. I can create a line like this, right? So this is the first line here. Okay, I got an and here, right? And I can do this, and I can just go and click a different type. This is a dotted line, right? And in this way you can do this. You can also go here, you can just make a line using dots, right, commas and everything. Once everything is done, just go and click on right click on the top right side corner, the tick mark, and you have to wait for a few seconds till it's work. And here you can see this is how my bio looks, and this is the lines which I've created. This is it. Subscribe.